What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kadeem from HikageTV.com, coming back at you again with another tutorial. So I get this question all the time from my nephew and from my students, and sometimes I ask myself the question, how in the world do we start this project? Okay, so I like to call this process exploration, right? In short, you explore, you sketch. So for instance, this project that I have, my boy Scott, he always, shout out to Scott, he always says, yo, I want you to do this thing for me. He's really supportive, he loves my art. He's like, yo, I want you to do this thing for me. I want you to design a hoodie with Bakugo from My Hero Academia. And I'm like, yo, sure. Sure enough, I love My Hero Academia. So I said, you know what, let me go explore this, which basically means I watch some episodes. But when I do this process, what I always start out with is thumbnail sketches. Small sketches that basically have stick figures and kind of a messy drawing style to it. It's not supposed to be pretty. In case my nephew is listening, nephew, listen up. It's not supposed to be pretty. This is a really messy process where all you're supposed to do is just get all your ideas out of your head and kind of just play around. You play around as long as you need to until you get an idea that you actually like, right? It's all about having fun. Then you start to, once you pick the idea that you like from your thumbnails, you go to the next step. You're going to do more of a refined sketch, which is kind of an oxymoron. But you start collecting pictures that'll help you to figure out how something's supposed to look. For me, I start collecting pictures of the hands, feet, how Bakugo actually dresses. Like for Bakugo, he creates explosions with his hands. So now I'm going to start looking at different explosion illustrations to see how they would draw it, and I like to look at others so I can see how I'm going to draw it. Basically, this whole process is to kind of get the idea from your head to the paper or the screen and basically make it as much you or what you need it to be as possible. Well, that's it. You just learned how to sketch. Congratulations. Now get out there and draw. I was Kadeem from HikageTV.com. Peace out.